Alright, what up y'all? So we're back. PCV line on here kind of got dry rotted and broke the other day. So maybe you can hear this little whatever, but I found another little hose I can just put right here, just to pass the time by until the new part comes. But basically the hose goes from here, comes across. This is a part of it, so it's hooked to this, and then it comes back around and hooks in right there. So yeah, all of that. So that piece, it's on the way. Should be here in a couple days, a couple seconds for y'all or whatever. But yeah, this part broke, so I got just a little hose on there. So it's got kind of a vacuum leak, so it's running a little not so great, but yeah, that's coming. All right, so fast forward a couple days, PCV hose is in. So this is what we're looking at. Yeah, I think this might flip over or something. Yeah, something like that. But all of that's there. This is the old one. As you can see, this part had broke off. So this is just a hose that I found and kind of taped on here. So let's go ahead and get this out of the way. This wiggles off here, and then the PCV pops off on that side. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe. Alright, I need two hands because this is hot. But once I get all that off, the new piece bolts down right on top of that. So let me get this stuff off real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, now you might need something like this to kind of pry this little tube right here off, but got that off. This one is off. I unhooked this the coil pack wires because this is kind of under the wire, so make it a little easier. Now this should kind of lift up and out, I think, which these wires might be in the way. Yeah, so they're actually under these wires, so I might unplug these fuel injectors to kind of move that wire out the way so I can lift this up. So let me try that. So terrible idea to do this while the engine is hot, but I'm running out of daylight and I got work tomorrow, so it'll pull through. The PCV sits right there, so you really just got to kind of push it from this side to get it to start going through. Then once you get that the PCV part across the back, then you can just pull the rest of this out. So there you go. Now to drop the other one in, we're just gonna slide it back in the same way. Shouldn't be a problem. That didn't take long. So now I can hook up these fuel injectors again. These just have the little spring clip, so you just push that in and pull it out. So going back in, it just snap right on. So get all of these. Get off of me. And that one, this to the throttle body. This might need to go under that, maybe. Yeah, there we go. I hate the way this is so kicked back. Like, it just seemed like a dumb way to have a factory wire set up. And boom, coil packs. There we go. So not too bad. Quick little job. So that's it for this one. The AC actuators is what I gotta do next. So all of that's gotta come out, but I'm not ready to do that. So I don't know when it'll be. But yeah, catch y'all in the next one.